doing a Mr. Mrs. unboxing. So, got my scissor. It's me, Barbie. Mr. Bumper and Mr. Mrs. Oh, he's so cute. I love him. I love my little Bumper. We don't have time for that. Periodically, I get these boxes for every bride to be. It's dark in here. I should be able to read this. It's dark in here. For every bride to be. Just keep calm and plan on. That's cute. So, well, that's cool. Oh, that's pretty. It's pretty and it's cool. They sent me a microfiber, and it's kind of pink, with this little stone, which is so cute. It's from Wrap Me Up, Miss to Mrs. Wrap Me Up microfiber hair towel. How to use. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Pro tip, the microfiber hair towel is a great helping hand to keep your hair out of the way while applying makeup, face masks, and other skincare. Great idea. Scan here for more exclusive bridal goodies. I love checking these things out too. Like the brands, if I like something from one of these boxes. I got like wedding things, like decorations and stuff. Or like, you know, little things like bubbles for our wedding ceremony, like the after ceremony thing, from one of the brands that I got something from with one of these boxes, and like nail stickers and like things. Like I like to check them out. So this is really cute and has this little stone. I don't want to try this right now. Keep this together for a photo first. Oh no. What the hell? Oh god. What the hell? Is that recording? Oh my god. Stay up. It's really annoying. I don't want to zoom in. Alright. So, it'll be a funny view now. Then I see there's a candle. It says, good vibes before the knot is tied. Ooh. Good vibes before the knot is tied. White tea and cedar wood. I don't know about that. The cedar wood sounds good. Confetti Avenue, Miss to Mrs. There's a warning. It's kind of pretty though. I might put this in my office. We'll see. I don't really like the fragrance. I don't know, I'm not loving it. I like the cedar one, I just don't like the white tea. I think I'll give it to Kaylee. We'll see. Daniel's daughter. Then there's some slippers, which I may not be able to use because my feet are weird, but it depends because it looks like your feet can go through these rather than like, but I had ones like that where like, I don't know, we'll see because my feet are weird because I got my Raynaud's and stuff. These are a medium, so they're probably not going to fit me, but it says Mrs. I might just give these away to my sister because Kaylee's the same size as me. So if it doesn't fit me, it won't fit her. They're Mrs. Little Mrs. slippers. Cute. Mrs. from Confetti Avenue. These are cute, but they're probably not going to fit me and they probably won't be comfortable because my freaking feet and toes are nasty. You don't want to see them. But that's really nice. It is. It is nice. Oh my god. I gotta move this. Now I'm blurry. Alright, much better. And then another thing I'll probably give to Kaylee. But first, oh my god, this is so cute. And I still have these things, these diamond reusable ice cubes that I haven't washed yet from another box. I think it was from the last one. But I got Ice Bride Cold Therapy Facial Ice Roller. I just got one of these things for Kaylee for her birthday because she asked for it from Amazon. This one's also from Confetti Avenue. I'm gonna have to check them out. I'm a little nervous about one of these because I'm like, how do you put straight up ice on your face? You're gonna burn a hole in your face. That's what I told Daniel. I was like, I don't know if that's safe for Kaylee, but okay. Put straight up on her face. It's dangerous. Bye, Bumper. But, yeah. This one's pretty, though. Look, it says, Go Glow Bridey recipe card. You make me melt. It's like, I don't know what color you call this. Coral? Beige? This one's big. So what I think we do is you put water in it and you freeze it and then you burn your face with it. It's not funny, but to me it is. You burn your face with it and you make me melt. It says Wifey for Lifey recipe card. And then on the other side, it says Go Glow Bridey recipe card. They do different things for different issues. Like one of these is for acne. Acne, hydrating I like. Depuffing, brightening. Actually sounds really good. Then there's Cool Wife Soothing. Cleansing. Reduce redness. Anti-aging. Alright, this is the good side for me. We'll see. Looks. What are you doing, Thumper? I don't know. Alright, and then they gave me some face masks. This one is Red Ginseng Essence Mask. And then this one is Aloe Essence. This one is for vitalizing. Vitalizing. And it's from a brand, something in Asian, made in Korea. Korean skincare, nice. Bew, I don't know, green. And then hydrating, Aloe Essence Mask. This one sounds delish. Feels nice and yummy, like nice and gooey in here. Yeah. So, I'm willing to try these. Are they good though if you have really sensitive skin? I don't know. That's what makes me nervous about using these. The aloe one maybe. This one I don't know. Or I could just have a bottle of Benadryl on standby. Yeah, this is my box of goodies from Miss to Mrs. I'm excited about this though, even though I may or may not be able to use everything. But I'm still excited. It's the thought that counts. Putting it back together so you can see what I got.